Welcome back to my channel. This is Steve with Breck DIY. I'm going to show you how to fix a outdoor faucet that is leaking. As you can see here, I got some drips going on, and it's actually a simple fix. This is your culprit right here, which is called a packing nut. All you have to do is tighten this to your right, and it'll be a simple fix. If you were to have a plumber come out, a service call is usually at least 60 bucks just to come out and check it out when you can take care of this yourself. All you need is an adjustable wrench. Move this up and down to adjust your settings. Go ahead and set it on there. Pull to your right. You can feel the tension on it. And if it's still dripping, you can go a little bit more. Turn it on to test. Looks like we're good to go. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.